Ever spent hours searching for just the right particle effect? That grind ends now. This pack is a massive collection ready to drop into your URP projects and make everything pop instantly. The standout here is sheer variety, over 300 effects covering fire, explosions, magic, and environment. You get fully optimized particle systems with LOD support, so they run smooth on mobile too. No fiddling with curves, just drag, set to play, and you're golden. Setup is laughably fast. Every effect comes pre-configured for URP, so you avoid the usual shader migration headache. The included demo scene lets you preview everything in seconds. Perfect for jams where every minute counts. With a perfect 5-star average from nearly 300 reviews, the community agrees. This is a no-brainer for any VFX library. Users rave about the compatibility and variety. One small downside, some effects are quite similar to each other. If you need hyper-unique art direction, you might end up tweaking a few, but for prototyping, it's hardly a problem. At $15, that works out to about 5 cents per effect. Cost per unit heaven. Grab it and let your game explode with life. Link in the description. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history, deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store, all updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Getting believable grass and trees without tanking performance is a classic Unity headache. This shader pack solves it with style, giving your vegetation that next-gen sway and shading. The real magic is the wind system. It reacts to your own wind zones and even supports vertex animation for grass blades and leaves. You get full control over bend, frequency, and amplitude. The result is a living forest that feels responsive and immersive. It's incredibly flexible, includes shaders for trees, grass, and even bushes, all with adjustable LOD and multiple UV channels. The setup is straightforward. Assign a material and the wind does the rest. Your outdoor scenes will look rich without weeks of tuning. Over 300 reviews give it a solid 4 stars. Users highlight the performance and easy integration, making it a go-to for nature-heavy games. The standard built-in pipeline is best supported. URP and HDRP require some manual work. If you're on modern pipelines, be ready for a bit of shader tweaking. For $10, you skip 40 hours of hand animating grass. That's time-saved ROI you can feel. Your prototype will look alive instantly. Finding cohesive comic-style 2D assets that don't look like a mismatched garage sale is tough. This pack brings a unified cartoon aesthetic to your UI and world, making your game pop instantly. What sells it is the massive variety. Over 800 sprites covering everything from UI buttons to decorative elements, characters, and props. All hand-drawn with consistent line art and cell shading. You can slap together a whole game's visuals in one afternoon. The organization is flawless. Sprites are neatly separated into categories like backgrounds, icons, and characters. The PNG transparency means zero import fuss. Just drag and drop into your scene or canvas. Perfect for jams when art is your bottleneck. A flawless 5 stars from 160 buyers. People love the consistent style and sheer quantity. It's a complete art foundation. The style is very specific, whimsical cartoon. If you need gritty or realistic, this isn't it. But for a lighthearted game, it's a goldmine. At $10, freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom sprite sheet. Comparison win. Treat your project to a unified look today. Coding magic spells from scratch is a time sink. This asset delivers a huge library of ready-to-use particle effects for skills, buffs, and attacks, all customizable and performant. The range is impressive. Over 100 effects including fireballs, ice shards, lightning, auras, and hit impacts. Each one comes with multiple color variations and adjustable duration. You can equip an entire RPG skill tree with unique VFX in an hour. What really saves time is the included demo scene and clean prefabs. No digging through nested particle systems. Each effect is a simple prefab you can instantiate. The performance is solid even on mid-range mobiles with the right settings. Another 5-star gem with nearly 160 reviews. The community specifically praises the variety and the ease of integration. It's a staple for any fantasy prototype. A few effects share similar base particles, so you might want to tweak colors and sizes to avoid repetition. But the customization is there. $10, that's less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. Absurdly cheap for the amount of juice it adds to your game. Grab it and cast some awesome spells. Ocean simulation can be a rabbit hole of shader math. This toolkit gives you an infinite ocean out of the box. Great for quick nautical prototypes, but with some honest caveats. The real win is the screen space wave mesh that performs surprisingly well on mobile hardware like Adreno and Mali chips. You get real-time wave movement, foam lines, and even caustics on the seafloor, all in a single script. No coding needed, just drop it in and you have a horizon-filling ocean. Setup is legitimately zero code. The buoyancy integration works out of the box with the companion asset, so boats and objects float naturally. Ideal for jams where you need water fast. It has a modest 4 stars from a handful of reviews. Users note it works as advertised for a simple ocean, but expectations should be realistic. Honestly, the shader quality is rough. There's an unnatural metallic specular you can't remove, no shadow support, and fog is missing entirely. It works for a low poly or retro style, but don't expect AAA water. At $9.99, if one client project uses it, you've paid it off 100 times over. Business ROI. Use it as a placeholder or for that pixel art ocean vibe. Creating convincing force fields from scratch involves complex shader work and timing. This pack hands you a full set of Sci-Fi shields with hit reactions and custom shapes. Instant immersion. The star feature is the hit reaction system. When a projectile impacts, the shield ripples, flashes, and even cracks. You get multiple shield shapes: dome, sphere, cylinder, all with customizable colors and distortion. It feels like a blockbuster UI effect, but it's all in-game. Integration is a breeze. Just attach the script to a collider, assign your shield material, and you're done. The included demo shows everything working. The visual quality holds up even on consoles, making it a perfect polish layer for combat prototypes. Perfect 5 stars from 136 buyers. The community loves the wow factor and ease of use. It's a proven time saver for sci-fi games. The effect is built for the built-in pipeline primarily. URP and HDRP may need some shader adjustments, but for a quick prototype, it's still a solid choice. $15, treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Emotional satisfaction guaranteed for your next space shooter or cyberpunk jam. Setting up post-processing from scratch is a rabbit hole of sliders. This pack gives you a curated set of URP profiles that apply a cinematic look in one click. You get over 20 complete profiles covering moody noir, vibrant fantasy, horror, and more. Each profile includes careful color grading, bloom, depth of field, and vignette. You can switch the entire mood of your scene just by dragging a different profile onto your camera. The profiles are fully modular, so you can mix and match effects. They work perfectly with the universal render pipeline. No setup fuss. For jams, this is the fastest way to make your game look polished and intentional. Another flawless 5-star average from over 120 reviews. Users call it a must-have for URP projects and highlight the consistency of the looks. The profiles are designed for a general cinematic feel. If you need hyper-specific color science, you'll still need to tweak, but they're a phenomenal starting point. At $4.99, that's about 25 cents per profile. Incredible value density. Your game will look 10 times more expensive instantly. Link below. "2D games often feel flat without shader effects, but writing them is a pain. This pack delivers over 100 sprite shaders for dissolve, glow, distortion, and more, and it's on a killer discount. The variety is wild. You get dissolve effects, water ripples, hologram glitch, fire, ice, and even outline shaders. All are built for Unity's 2D renderer, so they work with Sprite renderers out of the box. You can make any sprite feel alive with just a material swap. Performance is a priority. Each shader is optimized for mobile and WebGL. You get full control over parameters like intensity and color via material properties. No coding required. It's a goldmine for 2D game jams where visual flair sets you apart. 81 reviews, all 5 stars. Gamers and developers alike praise the documentation and the breadth of effects. This is a proven asset that saves hours of shader work. The shaders are designed for the built-in 2D pipeline. If you are using URP 2D, some may need conversion, but the author provides notes for that. Normally $20, now $10, which is 50% off. That investment in quality will make your 2D game stand out at any showcase. Grab it while the deal lasts. Creating custom LUTs is time-consuming and requires an eye for color. This pack from Amplify Creations gives you a massive library of professional LUTs ready to drop into any post-processing stack. You get over 200 LUTs covering genres from fantasy and sci-fi to horror and film emulation. Each LUT is a 3D texture, easily applied via Unity's post-processing or Amplify color. The range is huge. You can find a look for any scene in seconds. The organization is top-notch. LUTs are grouped by mood and color temperature with preview thumbnails. You can blend them, adjust intensity, and even stack for custom looks. For jams, this is the ultimate shortcut to a coherent visual style. Another perfect 5-star score from 105 reviewers. The community loves the variety and the seamless integration with Amplify Color and Unity's post-processing. These LUTs are most effective with proper lighting. If your scene is completely flat, the results may look unrealistic. Good lighting first, then LUTs for the final polish. $15 for over 200 LUTs gives you a competitive edge. Your game's color grading will rival titles with much bigger budgets. Get the look that stands out. Empty landscapes feel dead. Filling them with rocks and boulders is tedious if you model each one. This pack gives you a huge collection of low-poly rocks that instantly add realism to any outdoor scene. Over 100 unique rock meshes across multiple sizes and shapes, from small pebbles to massive cliff formations. Each model is low-poly with clean UVs, perfect for game jam performance. You can scatter them using Unity's terrain system or place them manually for bespoke layouts. The art style is unified and fits any low-poly aesthetic. The pack includes 4 different texture variations, brown, gray, mossy, and snowy, so you can match different biomes. Drag and drop onto your terrain, and your world feels lived in immediately. 106 reviews give it a perfect 5 stars. Users highlight the variety and value. It's one of those assets you use in every project. The rocks are strictly low-poly stylized. If you need photorealistic or high-poly details, these won't fit. But for a clean low-poly look, they're perfect. $9.99, a guilt-free splurge for a pack you'll reuse in every jam. Fill your world with rocks and ship faster. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.